Oh, that's, see that canopy over there, just like ours.
Last game, and she straight the green.
Oh, that's awesome. Good. Oh, where is she right now? At home?
You're playing a game?
Oh, right now. Okay.
Let's go, Lex.
I don't think they're going to have your apple cranberry juice. It's either soda or maybe lemonade. I don't think they're going to have much of a selection.